food in my mouth.
Me too. Apples are delicious, and they're probably on that list for healthy eating.
Did you guys know that most people don't need to take vitamin or mineral supplements? Just a little shout out there.
So if you're taking them,
you don't need to. Just eat fruits and
you could be hurting yourself, really.
Yeah, you could.
You could be giving yourself a disease. Oh, here you go. Celiac disease.
Oh, let's give a shout out to that.
My dear poor sister just got diagnosed with it. So she basically can't eat wheat, rye, or flour, or grain, or glucose. So she basically can't eat. She has to make stuff out of rice flour and things of that nature.
Not a fun disease.
No, it's really not. I might have it, everyone. I have to go get tested. Bad news,
Yeah,
huh?
not fun. Not fun.
I might have a disease.
We hate diseases.
That'd be weird though, wouldn't it? To be able to tell people you have a disease. Isn't that kind of weird? Like I'm not curable. I have a disease. Have you ever thought of that?
Yeah, that would be very fun.
Just a thought. Kinda weird. Which is what this show is. So, works perfect, right?
It does work very perfect.
The weather today is tricky.
Yeah, it's so sunny outside, but it is freezing.
The wind speed is about 6 below.
Oh, family home evening was a blast last night.
It was. The bishop is great. His wife is great. Brother Hager.
Well, our bishop is Brother Barlow and Sister Barlow.
But Brother Hager's also great.
Yeah.
I'm learning their names.
Yeah. They're new. In January. We have a state conference on Sunday. Brother Bednar is speaking to us. So
yeah. We get an apostle.
A big one.
Yeah.
Not that he's literally big, but
he's like a big hit.
Important.
Yeah, he's a big hit.
Well, we're not saying that other apostles aren't important either.
Or state presidents, because they send us those, and those are great.
Yeah, and my councilmen, they're just as great as anyone else.
But this is like
big.
The pros. This is like this. If this was like basketball, it's like pro
NBA.
Pro basketball.
Like
apostles are as high as you can get, right? Side note: my dad and 2 of my sisters got to shake the prophet's hand. And I didn't because the security guard told me to move out of the way. That was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And I missed it because the security guy told me to move on the side that he wasn't, and then they shook his hand.